Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Shopee tutorial for beginner video, the best place for Shopee seller tips and tricks. In this week, I would love to focus on how to utilize Shopee marketing ads to boost your sales. If you are first time here, hi, I'm Vanette, I'm the e-commerce coach. I help corporate employees who hate their job and wish to resign to start a side hustle fast. This video itself will show you how you could use Facebook and Instagram in empowering consumers with educations, informations, and visual inspirations that kickstart their purchase journey. And by the way, 1 in 2 consumers are attracted to Facebook and Instagram ads featuring new products or brands that interest them. For Facebook, it is also used by consumers to understand the product better through fellow user review, as well as using the Facebook chat features to inquire directly about products or service they are keen on. While consumers use Instagram more as a channel to gain inspirations from social influencers' posts, as well as to follow brands' account for updates on their latest products release or giveaway. So the key takeaways, running Facebook or Instagram ads with Shopee will increase brand and product visibility. Facebook and Instagram ads are critical in generating the initial noise and awareness for new products launch. In particularly, use Facebook cooperative ads to improve conversion by linking consumer directly to the product listing on your official Shopee store. If you are unsure how to do the relevant marketing or you have no time to manage the ads yourself, you have a chance to work together with Shopee Marketing Solutions where they will help you with your business growth. If you are still staying till this moment of the video, I really appreciate and I wish to reward you with this FAQ guide on the most asked questions by my students all this while. In this guide, I might answer your doubts too. So get a copy before you start your e-commerce business. I appreciate you and I see you next week. Take care.